Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to share Spotify Wrapped 2025 on Instagram Story. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm on Instagram right now. If I go to Spotify, you will see Wrapped option in the top right corner. But if you don't see Spotify Wrapped 2025 showing up yet, make sure your Spotify app is updated to the latest version. Now go back and check. If it's still not visible, open your mobile browser, search for Spotify Wrapped 2025, and open the official Spotify Wrapped page from there. Once it opens, you will see your 2025 Wrapped here. Just click on Let's Do, and it will automatically start playing your Wraps experience. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you see the Share option. When you reach the bottom, tap on Share. After that, you'll see different sharing options. In the bottom left corner, you should see Instagram Stories. Once you tap on Stories, Instagram will open automatically, and your Spotify Wraps 2025 will start loading as a story. From here, you can post it directly to your Instagram story just like any other story. And that's it. So that's basically how you can share Spotify Wrap 2025 on Instagram Story. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.